Welcome to my channel, it's Coders. Today, we'll learn about animation with the help of AI. First, watch this video and then I'll start the animation. How to make this type of 3D animation cartoon with the help of AI. Imagine making videos that get millions of views and earn you real money. Many channels in this niche are making thousands of dollars every month. The best part? You don't need expensive tools or a big budget. You can create these videos for free using AI, and it only takes 10 minutes to start. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step process to make viral animation videos. Let's get started. First, we create the character prompt for our video. I go to Google and search for a character. Then, I choose a character based on my own opinion. After selecting the character, I save its image to my device. Finally, I provide the image to ChatGPT, and they generate a prompt for the character. Save character details. If your story has characters, save their appearance details. This will keep their look consistent in all images. The first step is to create a great story. Don't worry if you're not good at writing. I'll make it easy for you. Start with an idea. Think of a simple story. It can be fun, adventurous, or emotional. Use ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to write a video script for my YouTube channel and also provide an idea such as the adventure of rabbit farming and rice cultivation. Additionally, specify the desired video duration so that ChatGPT can generate a scene-by-scene script accordingly. Get image prompts. Use ChatGPT to generate detailed image prompts for all your scenes. Ask ChatGPT to write an image prompt for each scene from the script mentioned above. Provide your character prompt to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to replace this prompt in place of the rabbit in every scene above. In this cause, your character are same in every scene. Open Leonardo AI. Select the Phoenix 0.9 model. Best for quality and consistency. Copy the prompt for your first scene and paste it into Leonardo AI. They generate high-quality image for your video. Which one image are best for your story? Download this one. Repeat this for all scenes to create high-quality images. Four times you generate the image on one Gmail account, then you change the Gmail account. Leonardo AI give you 150 credit daily on every Gmail account. 4 or 5 accounts are enough for your video. Now we will animate the images using Pixverse and Hilo AI. Go to Pixverse and Hilo AI, which when better for you, they also give some credits every day on Gmail. Are you want to use for free? Then open 4 to 5 Gmail account. Upload an image. Start with the first image and follow the steps to animate it. Repeat for all images. Do this for all scene images. Now you have a complete animation video. Repeated this for all images, which one type you want to animate your image for comfortable for your story. Also, you want to use Pixverse free, then you open on 4-5 accounts. Now we download copyright sound effects for over video. I personally use Pixabay for free images and free sounds. Select sound effect and search which one sound you want, like water sound, elephant sound, forest sound. We need elephant sound for my video for first scene. Download this sound and repeat this process for all sound that are better for your video. Now edit the video using CapCut. Import video clips. Arrange them in the correct order. Also, upload the sound effects. Then arrange the video clips in the better place. I add black clip between two scenes. Add this black scene with every clips of the video because they are look more connectable story. Add transitions. Use fade-ins, zooms, or slide effects to make it smooth. Apply this transition between in every scenes. Now download copyright sound effects and background music from Pixabay. Add the sound effects in specific places and also add background music. Background music makes videos more engaging. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one. Until then, take care and keep exploring.